Fellow Groggers, welcome back to Grog Games. It is your sweet lad, Super Potion. Today I have another indie game for your pleasure. This is another chill game called Lifeslide.
A rather simplistic but very relaxing and, I would say, soul-soothing game.
The game is not live on Steam yet, and I have the chance to try it.
You're like a little airplane, paper airplane, and you're going through all these dynamic environments. Whoa! Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, my eyes are mesmerized. Okay, alright, simple controls, just using the stick so far.
Okay, this is actually really satisfying.
I had a bad day. Very bad day. Lots of bad news, and the more I watched it, every passing minute, I just started to smile more because the music, the simplistic gameplay, it was just... I don't know.
Oh, look at this, you guys. Chakras, yes. I was like, they look like chakras, but I didn't want to make the assumption. Oh, that's so cool.
So the world, as you can see, it's building in front of me as I go.
It's very cute. And just, I don't know, very uplifting already.
It's just something super cool about starting from literally nothing. Like, all there was in the universe was this airplane. And then slowly the land built up over time. And then all these shapes came together.
Yeah, this is the journey of someone going from birth to childhood, adolescence, and old age.
I'm definitely getting the vibe that I'm starting a journey. There's a timer. Why is there a timer?
Oh, okay, now I understand. I didn't understand what the number was at the bottom. That's my time.
Stay close and parallel to the ground for a good flight.
Yeah, flying up uses a lot of our speed, so we don't want to do that too often.
It is challenging because you can crash if you don't have enough momentum.
So yeah, flying parallel to the ground speeds you up. Going... Flying into a rock slows you down.
Dude, okay, these levels are actually kind of difficult too, because I didn't expect that, but...
The way that the levels change and the way that it throws challenges at you does require a level of focus that I really appreciate.
The blue particles are matter. Matter allows you to upgrade in between flights. There's an upgrade system?
Oh, I gotta get the yellow and the blue. What do I choose?
So these are points for gathering in order to upgrade these things. I see.
There's actual stats for it. Aerodynamics, integrity, luck, increased gems, power-ups, and plane parts, steering, lift.
So I guess I'm gonna increase the aerodynamics first.
Oh, luck, of course.
Steering would be nice.
Integrity or lift? We're gonna increase integrity for now.
What is this? What is this gonna do? Knowledge lets you interact with objects. Use it when objects glow in yellow.
I opened a door! Excuse me, I'm a paper airplane. I belong here.
What is that purple thing over there?
Oh, we found a part of a plane. Oh, that's really disturbing, honestly.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, new plane.
Dude, there's so many there's so many airplanes. This plane flies much different than the other one we just had.
Did we make it to the new chapter? Connecting, we did it! We got to the next chapter, yes!
What? Am I lighting the beacons?
Oh my gosh, I made a flower. Wait, am I God?
Well, the music is just getting softer, I guess. No, it's just the softening. Oh. What? I picked the perfect word. I was like, the music's getting softer.
I don't know if y'all can tell as much, but like playing it, every level has had a very different feel.
Creating. That's so cool.
No, we're slowing down. Not the bridge again. Not the bridge of death.
No, I'm not edible. Nope.
I will be so impressed if we survive this chapter. I will be so impressed. I should be dead.
Oh, come on. You can do it. You can do it, little plane.
Come on, you can do it, plane. You can do it.
That's not good, man. I need time.
Still in the game.
Okay, now... Oh!
No, just make it. Just be fast. I can't believe it let me have that.
Oh my gosh, I'm on fire.
Man, this is so hyper. Ah!
Oh no. Oh no. No!
No. Hey, it was worth it. It was worth it.
Lifeslide was on the Apple Arcade. They're reworking it for Steam. They're adding more content. They're planning on adding weekly leaderboards. They're adding a bunch of really cool things.
Honestly, just like a really calm, nice indie game with super cool dynamic environments, guys.
It hits that sweet spot for me where it's challenging, it has a flow. I just get to kind of like relax, but not because trees.
I would never have thought to myself, like, hey, I would love a game where I fly a paper airplane.
Honestly, cannot recommend enough.
Go wishlist it. I can only recommend playing it.